Okay, we're gonna go through with our two-step division problem. I'm gonna read the problem first, and we'll let you guys talk through the UPS and solving it together, okay? Michelle bakes 12 cookies. Her friend Jody bakes 3 times more cookies than Michelle. If Jody shares her cookies with 4 friends, how many cookies does each friend receive? Okay, on our understand, what do you understand is happening in the problem, Jaden?
Jody will share blank cookies.
Okay, go right on the board. Jody will share blank cookies. Okay. Anybody have a different? Well, don't make it so big. You gotta be able to solve it too. So don't write so big. Okay. Anybody have a little bit different way? Aiden, what'd you say?
There are blank. She gave blank cookies to her friend.
She gave blank cookies to her friend. Okay. Deshaun, what'd you say?
Jody has blank cookies
Okay, Jody has blank cookies to what?
to give to her friends.
To give to her friends, right? Okay. Kaylee?
Jody can share blank cookies with her 4 friends.
I like that one. Jody can share blank number of cookies with her 4 friends. Okay? All right. On the plan piece, when we did our first one, this is our second. Do the best you can with it. This is our second problem to do this one. On our first problem, we talked about the plan. And are we going to draw models yet?
No.
No. What do we want to talk through while we're doing this, me and Aria?
We want to say words.
I would say the words.
Yeah.
Because right now, talking through, this is a bigger problem than you guys are used to. It's more stuff in there, so let's talk through it, write it down real quick, and move on from there. Okay, plan. What was your plan, Diamond? What would you say you need to use?
What I'll say we need to use is, we need to use that keyword, times.
Okay, so somewhere in here, we've got the times. That is a keyword in this because it tells me what? 3 times. So what are we doing? 3 times what?
12.
Okay. All right. Michelle has 12 cookies, right? Her friend Jody bakes 3 times more cookies. So we're gonna have to figure that out. All right. So that's part of our plan, right? Okay. 3 times 12 cookies. All right. What else do we need to use to solve this problem? What else do we need to use, Bailey?
I need
What else?
4 groups of 3 that help me, or 4 groups of.
Where are you getting 4 groups of 3 from?
Where it says 4 friends, I got.
Okay, but we've talked about this. We're talking about this. We've talked about 12 cookies, 3 times as many. So you're saying 4 friends?
Yes.
Okay, so she's saying 4 groups. You could do the pictures if you wanted to. Okay, I got you now. I was just misunderstanding. Okay, hang on. Then what else do we need to use? Words. Use words.
How many cookies does Jody give to each 4 friends?
I'm gonna put 4 friends share here, and then. Okay. How many cookies does each friend get? Right. Did we cover anything? Everything in here? We know that Michelle has 12 cookies. We know that Jody has 3 times more cookies. We know that Jody's sharing. This is where Jody shares. This is Jody right here. She's sharing with 4 friends, right? And then how many cookies does each friend receive? So are we done with our plan, do you think?
No. Yes.
Do we know everything we need to do now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, solve. How would you solve this problem? What would you do to solve the problem? What would you do? Deshaun, what would you do? Say it. Okay. 3 bubbles and what?
2 twos in each room.
Why are you putting twos? Tell me why you're doing that. Have you figured out 3 and 12 yet? 3 times 12? So what would you do first? Can you divide them until you figure out how much you have? You can? How would you divide it? Do you know the total number of cookies Jody has? So do you need to find that first? I would say yes, we need to find the total number of cookies.
Are these extra out there?
Yes.
Those papers?
I think check with Mendez and Zach.
Oh, okay, because I was gonna cut some for Mendez. So,
I
but you
would
already
think
have all
that-
yours?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we need to find out what first? What do we need to find out? We know that we're multiplying 3 times 12, but do we have that total yet, Calista?
No.
No, so do we need to find that first?
Yes.
Okay, so what's 3 times 12?
36.
Okay, can I break 12 into 10 and 2?
Yeah.
Break it apart if you don't know it. What's 3 times 10?
30.
30. What's 3 times 2?
6.
30 plus 6 is 36. Now we know that Jody has how many cookies?
36.
36 cookies. What you gonna do now with those cookies?
Divide them
Into what?
4.
4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I gonna go 1, 2, 3?
No.
No.
By
Why?
numbers. Because that's going to take up your whole time.
It's gonna take up your whole time, and plus you need to start thinking about those friendly numbers, right? Can I count by tens?
Yes.
10,
No.
20, 30, 40. Too much, right?
How about
Yeah, because it can't go over 5, yeah.
You can't go over what?
36.
Okay, so 10 is too much. Can I do 5?
Yes.
Why am I picking 5? Why did I automatically go to 5?
Because
Diamond.
because 5 is a friendly number, and you know 4, and we that could get to a 10 easy and quicker.
Yep. So I can count quickly by 5s, right? So I did 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. I haven't got to 36 yet. Can I do another 5?
No.
No, because I can't do 10. I can't do 2 5s,
You
right?
can do 4.
I can do what?
You can do 4.
2s. So I got 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Have I got the 36 yet? Can I keep going with 2s?
Yes.
30, 32, 34, 36. How much? Now we stopped at 36, Kaylee, right? How much is in each group?
9.
Are there 9 in each group? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 in each group. So how many cookies did each of her friends get?
9.
9. Each of her friends
Get 9.
get 9 cookies. Okay? If I relate this to multiplication, what would be my division sentence on this one? We got this as my multiplication sentence. What would be my division number sentence? Trinity, what's my total?
36
Okay.
divided by 4 equals 9.
Does anybody disagree with that?
I
This is what?
36
36 what?
cookies.
Cookies. What is this?
4 for friends.
4 friends. What is this?
Total cookies.
How many what?
Each friend got.
How many cookies each friend got? So does it make sense?
Yes.
If I relate this to multiplication, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, right? 4 groups. How many are in each group? 9 equals.
36.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Are these related facts?
Yes.
Can you solve division with multiplication?
Yes.
Yes. Y'all are still working on that. But I think, do you see how we broke this down and took out every piece? So did we miss a piece?
No.
No, I think we did pretty good on this because we were able to tear it into pieces, okay? So when you see a problem like this, I want you to just do more than read it. I want you to start thinking, how can I take it apart? What pieces can I take apart, okay? All right, good job.